So we are going to be playing a game, guys. Felicia is tying wrapper. Look at Felicia. Look at her face. So this game, for 10 minutes, I'm going to give them this challenge. Nobody will talk, no quarreling, no fighting, for just 10 minutes. Let me see if this house will be quiet for 10 minutes. Now it's 7:05. So in 7:15, so the challenge ends. Okay, Felicia, do your face well and be nice to my camera. No fighting, no quarreling, no talking. Don't even try to whisper to your brother. I want you to sit down for the whole 10 minutes. Okay, do you understand? Are you guys ready to play? Great. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Felicia, are you ready to play?
Yes.
Remember, you are not talking. You will not talk to your brother. Your brother will not talk to you. You will not hit him. He will not hit you. No shouting. Don't report in 10 minutes. Okay? Don't shout mama, papa in 10 minutes. Is it a deal or no deal?
Deal.
Okay, guys. The challenge starts now. So this is already 7:06.
Mama is discipline.
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 This is a discipline. C'est pas difficile, it's not difficile, it's not hard, it's simple. C'est facile.
C'est facile.
Oui, c'est facile. So you don't need to talk.
Mais je sais pas. C'est facile.
Oui, c'est facile.
C'est pas plein.
Oh, voilà. Okay. Even now, I don't mind their language. So now the countdown starts now. This is 7:07. Okay.
Mama.
Oh God. Felicia, don't talk for 10 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Felicia, you're singing. You have not even carried up to 2 minutes. No, even 1 minute. You are singing already. Remember the challenge is you're not supposed to talk for 10 minutes. Do you understand? Are you bored just now? Shh. No talking. My people, the challenge is not for my children. So Felicia is not keeping to the rules. This girl no fit quiet for one second. You see they talk. She can be quiet too, so no need. So no challenge. What I want to give to her, I will not give to her again because she did not play the game. She refused to obey the rules. So Felicia, Nana she want pee, Nana she want shit. Now so one thing must do her. So but Great has been gentle. Great has been there for complete 3 minutes. Great did never say a word. But Felicia they discuss, they sing. She don't vex, so that is it. Game over. Nobody win.